Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix sync error in OneDrive app at 2026. So the sync error issue occurs when OneDrive cannot upload or download files due to network issues, permissions, file conflicts, or app problems. So at first I advise you to check your internet connection. So make sure that your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can test the connectivity by opening websites or another app like YouTube or sending a message on WhatsApp, etc. The second step is to restart the OneDrive app. So to do that, you will need just to go with the recent apps and swipe it away. So that way you close the OneDrive completely and then just reopen it, okay? And after that, you will need to pull down to refresh folders, okay? So right here, go with files. From here, tap on my files and do the same thing. Okay, the third step is to check the storage space. So to do that, you will need to go with the profile icon that's located on the top left corner, and then just tap on the settings. From here, tap on personal or the first option, and right here you can see the storage bar. If the storage is full, the sync errors occur. So you'll need to free up space or upgrade the storage plan by going with get more storage and choose your plan right there. Also, you can check the file conflicts. So files with the same name as the same folder or in the same folder may cause sync errors. So we'll need to rename duplicates files and retry syncing. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.